Weekly chart analysis. The price has approached the same resistance level for the fourth time, after facing rejection at this level on 3 previous occasions. This setup typically signals a high probability of another rejection. However, if the price breaks above this resistance and confirms the breakout with a retest, it could open the door for a strong bullish move. This zone could turn into a key buying area, offering a solid entry for potential upside targets.